Hi, Trisha here at Club Scrap with a very, very special collection we are releasing in June of 2024, and it is called Kit number 301. Why is that? Well, it's literally our 301st monthly kit that we have created, manufactured, designed, shipped to our members. We're very proud of that milestone, so we would love to have you celebrate that with us. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. We're starting out with this gorgeous print that has an iris on it, and an iris is meaningful for the 25th anniversary. It is the flower of the 25th year, so that is featured on this lovely print. And then it's all about the numbers, so we have the numbers print as well, 2 of those for you. So neutral and useful for any kind of an event. Then for the plain sheets of paper in your kit, well, of course we have to have metallic silver because silver is the color of the 25th anniversary, and we're complementing that with a lovely charcoal gray. It has such a lovely texture on this cardstock. And then we have this pearl white. It's a nice heavy stock, metallic on this side, and you can actually hear it. It has this lovely subtle texture to it. And then a nice deep solid black for the final color in the set. Now you'll also find 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts in your kit. These contain those helpful border strips that make quick work of your page titles, other images, and also reminders to do your journaling. To help you finish your pages quickly and easily, we are including a dozen photo mats. These are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so that you can just plop your 4 by 6 photos right onto them and save your larger sheets of paper for other things. You'll get 3 in metallic silver, the charcoal gray, 3 white, and 3 black. We've selected some beautiful ribbon for easy embellishing as well. Check out this Harlequin patterned ribbon. It's a 7/8 inch width in a really pale gray. And then this stunning silver 5/8 inch satin textured ribbon. What I love about this ribbon is that it's not glitter, so it doesn't leave a mess behind. And a very, very deep gray, almost black satin ribbon for you as well. For other goodies, we have these 2 velvet mini bags, 1 in deep black and 1 in white. A set of 5 clear buttons. And because it feels like we've been doing this forever, 2 silver infinity charms. And then we have this fun sheet of die cut numbers. So you'll have the numbers 1 through 9, 2 zeros, and an ampersand. And it's just a little special commemorative gift for our anniversary. You will also receive this fun custom made Club Scrap charm. And I'll help you turn all of that into 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. Simply download and print, if you like, the instructions. They are very, very detailed and guide the way through trimming every piece of paper that comes in the box so you can turn it into pages. These instructions are complemented by a video workshop. So I'll walk you through this so you don't even have to read anything if you prefer not to, and we will make these pages together. You can see I've incorporated like the velvet bag, the little charm, the ribbon, the cut-aparts, the die cuts. All of this is transformed into some really fun pages. And again, what I love about this set so much is that I know it can be used for anything. If you have a special birthday year or an anniversary coming up, perhaps a wedding, any kind of adventure, this is going to be the perfect kit about nothing, so you can literally use it for anything. Come and join me for this Kit number 301 workshop. Grab your kit. I can't wait to see you there.